A heartwarming surprise tonight for a well-known East Bay youth football coach. 45-year-old Todd French is battling stage 4 lung cancer and is determined not to let his illness sideline him. As head coach of the San Ramon Valley T-Bird Junior Pee Wee team, he's an inspiration for all of his young players, fellow coaches, and team parents. Tonight, following practice at Monte Vista High School in Danville, the organization's president, Jeff Rovner, asked all the players and cheerleaders from 5 teams and squads to take a knee so he could deliver the special surprise. New green jerseys that read Team French on the back. They'll be worn at this weekend's homecoming games in honor of Coach French.
I'm very blessed to live in an absolutely unbelievable community. And just people continue to shock me with their generosity and kindness. And sports, you know, I spent a lot of time in sports, and one of the reasons I like it is because it teaches character and integrity. It's amazing to watch it come back at me.
And to help cover the cost of French's extensive medical bills, the SRV Thunderbirds also announced they're creating a foundation so people can donate. For more information, go to weblinks at ktvu.com.
We wish them the best.